Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a free portfolio website for musicians. The first thing you want to do is go onto WIX.com, as this is the website builder that I recommend. Not only will you be able to create a free website, but it is also beginner friendly, and you'll also be able to create a professional looking portfolio. So you're going to go onto WIX.com, sign up using your email address. Then you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Once you have selected Set Up Without Chat, you're going to tap on the search bar from the left hand menu option and you're going to you can type in musician right here, and you can type in musician portfolio. Then you'll tap on Continue and you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can give your website a name. So you could give it a name right here. So I'm just going to call it portfolio and we'll tap on continue. Then you can choose the apps that you like to use. So we are going to have the portfolio app, also the video app, so you'll be able to share or stream videos, so you can upload your music videos. We'll also have the music app, which will allow you to add your music or sell your music if you want. Then you'll tap on continue and select continue to dashboard. After selecting continue to dashboard, you'll go over to the left hand menu option and select music library. From here, you can upload either an album, single, or you can create a playlist. Let's say we were to tap on create single. You can put in the single name. Then you could also choose the version right there, whether it is a remix, remaster, or live. Add in the artist name, add the cover image also, the genre, scroll down and you can choose whether you like to allow persons to freely download it, or you want to sell it, or you want persons to choose the price that they would like to pay for it, or require email for download. Then you could set the price right there if you want and tap on save and add tracks. After you have added the tracks, they'll automatically be displayed on your website. You can also select video library. After selecting video library, from here you'll be able to upload your music videos and display them. After doing that, if it is a case that you would like to add payment options, you could tap on getting paid from the left hand menu option and tap on connect payment method. Keep in mind, any other payment method except PayPal, you'll need to go onto the paid plan on WIX. So you can use PayPal for free. After setting that up, you'll tap on set up in the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. After selecting design site, you're going to tap on pick a template, and there are numerous templates that you can choose from. So I'm just going to be selecting this template for example, so we'll tap on edit. Once here, you're going to close the pop-up box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Then you can start editing your website. So for example, we could change the name in the header section by tapping on quick edit, then go over to the right hand column and I could change the name to, for example, Jason Tutorials. So let me do that real quick. And it's as easy as that to edit each section. And if I would like to adjust it, I can pull on it right there. We could also change the background image and also the album information. By hovering over the section and tapping on quick edit, you can go over to the right hand column. You could change the title, you can change each section. After doing that, you could also scroll down and you could change this title also and the button text. And if it is a case that you would like to change the background image, you could tap on change and you could choose an image. Once you're finished doing all of that, you can scroll down and you can continue selecting each section and changing it. So you could tap on manage media and you could upload an image that you would like to use right there. By tapping on replace image, you could replace the images. And as I stated earlier, with WIX you'll be able to create a professional website. So you'll simply use the layout that they provide you with and you can add in your own information. To view the pages on your website, you'll tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then we could select music for example. And from here you will see the different tracks that you have uploaded. And you could also edit the background in this section if you want by tapping on quick edit. We could tap on change and you could select image and we could change the background to something else. So let's say for example I'll change the background image to this. We can select it, tap on change background, and you realize that the background image has now changed. And you could select this section also, and we could change the background if we want by tapping on change. It's as easy as that to edit each section on your website. If it is a case that you would like to add a text or button to a particular section, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and we could drag and place the text right here. If it was a button we wanted to add, we could tap on add elements, select button, and drag and place the button. It's as easy as that to add anything to your website. If you would like to delete something, just select it and then tap on right click, and you'll be able to delete it also. To add pages, you can tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, then select add page, and you'll be able to add pages. To view your website, you'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner, and from there you'll now be able to preview your website. Once it is to your liking, you can tap on publish, and your website will now be live. So if I were to select tour, you can also select the tour dates as you can see right there. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.